All right, so this is a super easy ponytail. You can do this literally in less than 3 minutes. So maybe even less than that. Just take a regular ponytail. You can do this on your hair too. Take just a section of it right on the top. I usually go for about this much thickness. You can go a little bit lighter, a little bit thicker, whatever you want. And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna literally just wrap it around the ponytail. You don't have to worry about being super duper neat. You just wanna make sure that the actual hair, the strip that you're going around in, is just neatly encompassing the entire ponytail. So obviously when you do something like that, it can't go all the way to the end, but you take your little elastic band and you just put it right on the end. And then when I let go, the cool thing is too, is that you can go up to and you can just, what I like to call, just like expand it a little bit, just make it a little bit puffier. Hey, Victoria, put your head up for 1 second. And then obviously my daughter has super long hair, but if you don't, it will be maybe a little bit shorter, but the section on the bottom is a little bit long, which I think is really cute. But again, I'm super duper easy ponytail style, and I'm gonna show you some different ways that you can do this too, but this is just the basic, easy way.